Alright, today we got a visitor over. He's a fan of the channel. He's probably the most leading person I know that knows about Felicias. He knows everything there is to know about Felicias, and he's pretty got every part when it comes to Felicias. Today we're going to be doing changing this door lock, because this door lock just bloody spins. Apparently there's a little bit on the back you've got to get to. So let's get to it. We're going to sort out this door lock. First things first, door card off. Get these door cards off. You've got to pop this off. This little plastic thing here, that pops off. Under the screws in here and here and here. There's a screw under there. You pop this off, take that off, pop it off, and then the door card should hopefully lift up and off. So, let's get to it. Right, here we go. Door card's off.
Talk about being a rat, mate.
That's not even in, is it?
Nope.
Oh well, it worked.
Yeah, it works. Right.
Right, where's this bloody thing?
Right.
There's just a clip on the back, I take it. That's gone.
Yeah. What I've got to do.
Okay. So what's this bit you're doing now?
Taking the door lock out.
Taking the door lock out.
And then I'm going to rebuild the back of it so you still have the same key.
Alright, sound.
I broke that many of these, I can do these in my sleep.
Right.
Right, and as I thought, you're missing a little thing up here. So when you try and put the key in,
Yep, that's the
it's
spinning.
just turning.
Right, so what is the bit I'm missing?
That is the bit you're missing off the back of this one.
Ah, so that little
clip
metal
there.
clip.
Right.
Right.
So I will donate that one to you.
Happy days.
From my car, as I don't have any door locks.
Oh, happy days.
And we shall get that fixed for
I appreciate that, man. I appreciate that.
Right. It's all about keeping these old girls on the road these days.
Exactly. There's not many left, is there?
Nah, not a lot of fun anyway.
Nah.
And that little kiddie.
Similar to the Mark 3 Golf. I've done the same on a Mark 3 Golf, you know. I swear I have.
Yeah.
So that one, is that just missing or is it just broken?
It's probably snapped off.
It's just still in the door.
I mean, you've probably got a few rattles in the door because there's a few extra fixes.
Yeah, I've always, yeah,
buddy.
there is quite a few rattles in the door, to be fair. See, this man knows his shit when it comes to these.
Just think you won't be able to, you'll be able to just to get in the car now, use your key, without having to climb over.
Every morning. Every morning.
And just like that, buddy.
And that's it. That's it.
I'll grease that up, give that a bit of grease on there, and hopefully that will solve your problem.
Fucking sweet.
Simple as that. Now a lot of people end up buying a whole door lock and then you end up with about 3 keys.
Yeah, yeah. Like I always used to do. Mind you, on the Mark 3 Golf it's easy, you just buy handle.
Yeah.
And it's just easy done. I was always too lazy to change the locks.
I was that lazy I decided to take the door locks clean out of the car.
Yeah.
Right now, the best part is assembly, isn't it?
Right.
Right, let's put some grease on there. Let me just nip to the thing and get some.
Oh, you got grease, but you know.
Yeah, I've got lithium grease.
Wow, he brings everything with him, this geezer. Yeah. What's up with yours?
This one's a bit of welding, a bit of TLC.
Right.
Mine's an early S-plate one.
Right. Is there much of a difference between the early and late?
Not really. I mean, probably more rot.
Yeah.
Mine's on about the same sort of mileage as yours, but it was previously a Skoda press car.
Right, right.
But obviously mine's not a standard fun. I ended up playing with it. It's got fully loaded, basically aircon and
yeah.
2 types of aircon.
Fair play.
Because they are quite rare.
Mm.
I do take it a few shows here and there. I've taken it a couple of times to Skoda Fest. I've towed it before, but
I didn't even know there was such a thing as Skoda Fest.
yeah. Like there's an owners club as well, but
Was it?
yeah.
I'm not sure what they'll make of this on the owners club.
To be honest,
if they're purists or not.
Yeah, I mean, you get the purists, you get the people, but at the end of the day, it's one of a kind, isn't it?
True.
It's built, not bought.
True.
You know, you get a purist about mine. I mean, mine started life as a basic car.
Yeah, yeah.
It's obviously not standard, so.
No, we'll have a look at that in a minute on here.
Yeah. Right, let's get this fitted. Right, mate, let's see if this repair works.
Let's see if it works.
We'll pretend that the door's locked.
Right,
closed.
locked, yeah.
We shall put the key in the key
Let's give it a go.
barrel. And look at
Look
that.
at that. Happy fucking days. Like I said, this is the man that knows everything there is to know about Fabia's.
Felicia's, bro.
Sorry, Felicia's.
Right, I guess we put the door car back on.
Get it all back together.
Enjoy it, really.
Happy days. Happy days. Look at that. No more climbing over the seats in the morning. Happy days. Bryden, he's just sorted me lockout on here, but you got to check out his Felicia. Check this out. Right, what have you done to this?
Well, I'll tell you what I've done with it. Knowing these for a few years, I was a bit sick of the 68 brake horsepower. I mean, it was all right, it just didn't get me there. So I ended up putting a 6M Polo 100 brake horsepower out of a previous car I had, which was a hatchback. But, you know, when you come across a wagon, you know, you've got to make it faster. I mean, it started life with not even having power steering. So this has basically been built in your garden, as you say. I mean, the brakes have been uprated, you know, lowered. You know,
yeah, he's got
the drilled and grooved.
Drilled and grooved. Wheels, you got the tuck on the back. Check that
GTI discs.
Check that tuck out on the back.
You've got the parking sensor at the back, you know. Pull up against the wall when you know where you are.
You've got to be done.
Obviously it's a bit dusty at the minute because where I live, down the building. I mean,
no one cares on this channel.
She is what she is, mate. I mean, she's 28 years young.
Yeah. Look at that.
I mean, if Skoda actually built one of these from factory, that's probably what it would look like.
Yeah. Nice.
I mean, I get smiles per miles out of it.
Yeah. Fair play, man. Fair play.
I mean, it does triple figures.
Yeah. That's what you want.
Yeah. I mean, it's built not brought, innit?
Exactly.
Each to their own.
Nice, man. Very nice.
Plenty of looks.
Yeah.
But I probably don't hang around enough for them to see it.
Nah. Fair enough. See the interior going on. He's got leather seats in the interior. It's all leathered out.
Feel free, mate. Like I say, the leather, obviously it's seen a bit of wear, you know.
Yeah.
Have an L&K.
There you go.
Small steering wheel.
Oh, he's got a little steering wheel. Happy days. Nice one, man. Nice one. Right, let's go for a spin. See what this thing's all about, shall we? Yeah, if you do it right down there, it leads you to Mexico. Yeah, I wouldn't race him. Right.
Yeah, I like this, mate. This is what I like.
It handles, doesn't it?
The handle's alright.
Yeah.
I mean, you have to. I'm quite loaded up, so.
Yeah. Fair play.
Yeah, I mean, I've had many of those sitting here smiling. I mean, I got it on 130,000. I've got it on nearly 190,000.
Yeah.
So having some little fun with that, of course. It's something about driving an old car fast.
Oh yeah, the thing is we drive them on the limit and it feels more fun.
That's it.
Do you know what I mean? Because they're on the limit, they feel more fun. It's got a nice rasp to it, innit?
Yeah, and I'll tell you what, it's actually on a diesel exhaust.
Oh, is it?
Yeah, I mean, she ain't done too bad for 28 years old.
No, exactly. And there we have it, peeps. That was Bryden. He came over and helped me do my door lock, and then we had a look at his car. So, yeah, nice first time meeting that bloke. Nice bloke. So, yeah, happy days. So, anyway, peeps, see you in the next one.